bali wakati litukeli. Mbuyamana sana. Engoro ku Michael Motume. Ama MCA Masige East. Iga na Onyonka. Letanga ni kabisa tigansike endugu yane enene egavana ya ito koruga igabo basi. Simba arati. Asoko torose liyo mwego mwanene bunoyo. Mbale ngabano mwoko. Mbuyamana. Kabere tigansike abara iba chirega iga. Ase ogo officiate umurigo of Thanksgiving na registration ya ODM. Ase iga stadium ya ito ya Nyamache. Abantu baminto tinta timbo motambe because moroche dire ndiribuya na ande nae gujita kachinke. Tigangira libagero okwana korbo basiga iga seito. Egamba na ito Simba arati. Obero ko irwe biara mono sana. Obo mayana go sobolimo. Inume ogete. Mwete. Ekara abashimiwa bari barande babere. Onyonka na donya. Abu Simba abaregete murongo. Akabakambe ineriga Nyamache. Bacha akeko murota bete biara tokire. Ndimukere murego basi. Tiganda nasama goko. Mwanjere ndio warning ochiase barega. Umuskere la Odinga amano muske Kalonzo Musyoka afege songo. Your two excellencies, Honorable Raila Odinga, I bring to your attention, I'm reporting one senator from Kisii County who has gone round insulting our governor. He calls him a chokoraa. That we brought Simba from Nairobi, he was a street boy, a man who campaigned for him. But here in this constituency, Onyonka has never been seen here. But now he's the #1 insulting Governor Simba Rat. We bring to your attention, kindly talk to him. He is a seasoned leader, a member of parliament who has served more than 4 terms. We want him to uphold the respect that he has. Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, sir, I know you are a diplomat, a man who is respected across Africa. Please, Honorable Doris Donya Toto, she's insulting our first family in this county. And we don't take it lightly as honorable members of Kisii County. Before we go out and starting to fight,